Dev Day!
Welcome to Dev Day 26. How are we feeling out there today, everybody?
Today is all about you. We are joined today by a number of luminaries that are at the forefront.
But now everything is just like a prompt away. Pretty much any task is better with intelligence.
You learned how to build this entire week, but how do you build the right way? Does your product actually spread on its own?
We get to be part of this amazing community of data makers and change makers.
I'm loving the talks about AI and career. This has really been awesome.
It's my first time at Dev Day. People can advance their skills.
Welcome to the grand finale of the Snowflake Startup Challenge. How we doing? This year's competition attracted groundbreaking startups from around the world. It all comes down to these three finalists standing here today. Make some noise for legend.
See you next year. We love Snowflake.